of cats is a difficult matter. It isn't just one of your holiday games. You may think at first I'm as bad as a hatter when I tell you a cat must have 3 different names. First of all, there's the name that the family use daily, such as Peter, Augustus, Alonzo, or James, such as Victor, or Jonathan, George, or Bill Bailey. But all of them sensible, everyday names. There are fancier names, if you think it sounds easier. Some for the gentlemen, some for the dames, such as Plato, Admetus, Electra, Demeter, but all of them sensible, everyday names. I tell you, a cat is a name that's particular, a name that's peculiar, and more dignified. Else how can he keep up his tail perpendicular, or spread out his whiskers, or cherish his pride? Of names of this kind, I can give you a form, such as Monkeystrap, Grasso, or Corico Cat, such as Bomb